Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive with us.
Yeah.
Today, we're diving into the world of AI in healthcare.
It's a really exciting field.
It is, we found a really interesting YouTube video that kind of lays it all out.
Yeah, it's cooking.
Covers everything from, AI diagnosing diseases to even performing surgery.
Wow.
So by the end of this deep dive, hopefully you'll understand how AI is already transforming healthcare
Yeah.
and what it could mean for the future.
Yeah, the future is really interesting to think about with AI in healthcare.
Definitely.
It's fascinating how AI is, starting to shift healthcare
Right.
from a reactive approach to a more proactive one.
Yeah.
Like, imagine a future where healthcare anticipates your needs
Wow.
before you even realize you have them.
That's a really wild concept.
Yeah.
The video goes into this idea of, AI as Doctor 2.0,
Mm-hmm.
where AI could analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs,
Yeah.
as well as your genetic data, to diagnose conditions so fast.
Right.
We're talking diagnoses in seconds.
Yeah. Seconds.
Compared to what it could take a human doctor hours or even days.
Yeah, that's the amazing thing about AI.
So what kind of impact could that have,
Well, I mean,
that kind of speed?
faster and more accurate diagnoses mean that treatment can begin sooner,
Right.
and that could potentially save countless lives.
Yeah.
And it's not just limited to images.
All right.
AI can analyze, massive data sets like electronic health records and patient histories to find patterns and maybe even predict outbreaks,
Oh, wow.
which is really important.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
The video also talked about Google DeepMind's AlphaFold 3.
Oh, yeah,
Have you heard of this?
I have.
It can predict the structure of proteins, DNA, RNA,
Yeah, it's essentially,
building blocks of life.
yeah, the building blocks of life.
Can you explain how this could revolutionize drug discovery?
Yeah, so I mean, understanding how these molecules behave and interact
Right.
is key to developing new drugs and therapies. And AlphaFold 3 basically gives scientists a shortcut. Oh, wow.
Unlocking those secrets.
So instead of spending years.
Yeah, like imagine trying to create a drug to treat a specific disease.
Yeah.
Knowing the exact structure of the protein involved
Right.
allows scientists to design a drug that fits perfectly,
Okay.
like a key in a lock.
Oh, I see.
This targeted approach could make drug development much faster and more effective.
Oh, okay. So it's all about efficiency
Exactly.
and, hopefully bringing treatments to market faster.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So AI is not only helping diagnose and treat, existing conditions,
Yeah.
but could also accelerate the development of new cures.
Yeah, that's one of the most exciting things about AI.
It is. And then the video takes things a step further
Okay.
by talking about a future where healthcare anticipates your needs before you even know them.
Right.
That sounds almost like science fiction.
It does sound futuristic,
Yeah.
but AI is already being used for predictive analysis
Okay.
by processing, huge amounts of data.
Yeah.
AI models can predict how a disease might progress. Oh, wow. And even personalized treatment plans.
So instead of just reacting to a health problem after it happens,
Uh-huh.
AI could help prevent it in the first place.
Exactly. Imagine if a seemingly manageable health condition
Yeah.
could be prevented from becoming a serious emergency.
That would be a complete game changer.
Right. It would revolutionize healthcare.
And this predictive power isn't just for individuals, is it?
No, you're right.
Right.
AI can analyze population health data to identify trends and risk factors,
Uh-huh.
enabling, targeted interventions to prevent outbreaks.
So almost like a...
This is particularly relevant in a post-COVID world,
Right.
where understanding and responding to public health threats is critical.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So AI isn't just about treating the sick.
Right.
It's about keeping us healthy in the first place.
Exactly.
But the video also highlighted a very practical side of AI.
Okay.
The potential for AI to reduce medical errors.
Right.
Could you elaborate on that a little bit? Absolutely. So think about something like medication administration
Right.
in a busy hospital setting.
Right.
Even the smallest mistake can have serious consequences.
Yeah, of course.
AI could help ensure that patients receive the right medication at the right time,
Okay.
minimizing the risk of human error.
So like a safety net almost.
Yeah, exactly.
And then also freeing up the, healthcare professionals
Right.
to focus on more complex tasks.
Exactly. It allows them to focus on what they do best.
Man, makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
But what about the human touch in all of this?
Yeah.
Does relying more on AI take away from the personalized care patients need?
That's a great question, and it's one of the key considerations surrounding AI in healthcare.
Yeah.
However, AI could actually enhance personalization in many ways.
Really?
Yeah, imagine AI analyzing a patient's individual health records,
Okay.
genetic information, and even lifestyle factors.
Wow.
This could help tailor treatment plans to their unique needs.
So it's more about giving healthcare providers a powerful new tool to make better decisions rather than replacing them altogether.
Exactly. It's about harnessing the power of AI to enhance human capabilities, not replace them.
Okay.
And this level of personalization could extend beyond treatment plans to preventive care as well.
Oh, wow.
Imagine receiving customized health recommendations based on your unique circumstances.
Oh, that would be amazing.
That's the potential of AI
Yeah.
to transform healthcare
Yeah.
from a one-size-fits-all approach to a truly personalized experience.
That's a really compelling point. Let's shift gears for a second and talk about drug discovery.
Okay.
It's no secret that developing new medications is a really long and expensive process.
You're right. Traditional drug discovery is notoriously time-consuming and costly.
Yeah.
But AI has the potential to change that.
The video called it a game changer.
Yeah.
And I can see why it talked about how AI is being used in something called molecular lead generation.
Yay.
What exactly does that mean?
So instead of relying on trial and error, which can take years and cost billions of dollars,
Wow. Yeah.
AI can predict how different molecules will behave and interact.
Oh, wow.
This allows scientists to identify the most promising drug candidates more quickly.
Uh-huh.
So imagine instead of testing thousands of compounds in a lab,
Yeah.
we can use AI to analyze and predict which ones are most likely to be effective.
Though that cuts down on time and money.
Yeah, that's the power of molecular lead generation.
Wow. That's really fascinating. So AI is helping scientists be more efficient
Yeah,
and potentially bringing these life-saving drugs to market faster.
exactly.
And this ability to analyze vast amounts of data is also revolutionizing scientific simulations, isn't it?
Yes, it is. AI can now simulate how a drug interacts with its target before it's even made.
Oh, wow.
This allows scientists to spot potential problems early on,
Okay.
saving both time and money.
So instead of spending years and millions of dollars on a drug that might ultimately fail
Right.
in clinical trials,
Exactly.
AI can help identify the most promising candidates.
Early in the process.
Wow. So it's almost like having a virtual lab where you can test out these different drug candidates.
Yeah, it's a really powerful tool.
Before even making them.
Yeah.
And the video also mentioned retrosynthesis planning.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
That's an interesting technique where AI analyzes the desired properties of a drug
Okay.
and then works backward to suggest potential ways to create it.
Okay.
It's like reverse engineering a chemical compound
Oh,
to figure out the most efficient way to build it.
I see. That's really incredible.
Yeah.
It sounds like AI could significantly reduce the cost of drug discovery and make these life-saving medications more accessible
Right.
to more people. But wait, there's more.
Okay.
The video also talked about AI's role in robotic surgery.
This is where AI starts to feel truly futuristic.
It does.
Imagine robots guided by AI,
Yeah.
performing complex surgeries with
Yeah.
superhuman precision.
The video gave the example of the Da Vinci robotic system, which is already being used for minimally invasive surgeries in hospitals around the world. Could you tell us more about that technology?
Yeah, so the Da Vinci system is a great example of how AI is already changing surgery.
Okay.
It's what's called a master-slave system,
Okay.
where the surgeon controls the robotic arms from a console.
Oh, wow.
The robot translates the surgeon's movements into precise actions,
Okay.
allowing for greater dexterity and control than would be possible with traditional surgical instruments.
Wow, that's incredible. So AI isn't just performing pre-programmed steps.
Right.
It's actively assisting the surgeon.
Exactly. And AI's role in robotic surgery is constantly evolving.
Oh, well.
Some systems are already capable of detecting surgical margins in real time,
Oh, wow.
providing surgeons with valuable feedback during the procedure,
Okay.
and some even automate certain steps of the surgery.
So surgeries that were once considered high risk
Yeah,
due to human error are becoming safer and more accurate
exactly.
thanks to AI.
It's truly remarkable how technology is transforming healthcare.
It is remarkable, but it's also important to remember
Yeah.
that technology is a tool, how we use it,
Right.
and the ethical implications of those choices
Yes.
are really crucial considerations.
Yeah, we need to ensure that as we embrace these advancements, we do so thoughtfully and responsibly.
That's a really important point. As AI becomes more integrated into healthcare,
Right.
we need to be mindful of its impact on both healthcare professionals and patients.
Yeah.
We'll need to address the challenges that come with it.
Right.
but the potential benefits are too significant to ignore.
Absolutely.
What stands out to you as the most exciting aspect of AI's role?
I think for me,
Yeah.
it's the potential of AI to improve patient outcomes on a massive scale, whether it's through faster and more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans,
Right.
or the development of new life-saving drugs.
Yeah.
AI has the power to transform healthcare as we know it.
I completely agree. It's a really exciting time
Yeah,
to be witnessing this technological revolution in healthcare.
it is.
But before we get too carried away with the possibilities,
Yeah.
let's take a moment to address some of the potential challenges
Okay.
of integrating AI into healthcare. More on that after a quick break.
Sounds good.
So we've been talking about all the amazing things AI could do for healthcare.
Yeah.
And it's easy to get, caught up in all the excitement.
Right.
But the video also highlighted some real obstacles that need to be addressed.
Absolutely. Integrating AI into healthcare isn't just about developing the technology.
Right.
It also requires careful consideration of how it fits into existing systems and workflows.
One thing that the video mentioned was the need for strategic change management.
Yeah.
What do they mean by that?
Well, it's not enough to just introduce new AI tools into a hospital or clinic and expect everything to work seamlessly.
Right.
Healthcare professionals need to be trained to use these tools effectively.
Yeah.
And workflows may need to be redesigned to accommodate, these AI-powered solutions.
So it's as much about changing how we think about healthcare
Yeah.
as it is about the technology itself.
Precisely. We need to create a culture that embraces innovation and is open to new ways of working.
And that brings us to another important consideration.
Okay.
The impact of AI on healthcare professions.
Yeah.
Some people worry that AI will replace doctors and nurses altogether.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a realistic concern?
I think it's more likely that AI will augment their skills,
Okay.
allowing them to focus on tasks that require human judgment and empathy.
Okay.
For example, AI could handle routine checkups or monitor patient vitals,
Yeah.
freeing up doctors to spend more time with patients who have, complex needs.
It's like having a highly skilled assistant
It's exactly
who can take care of all the administrative details
Right.
so the doctor can focus on what matters most,
Yeah,
the patient.
the patient. Exactly.
But as you said, healthcare professionals will need new skills to work effectively alongside AI.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
They'll need to be trained to understand AI's capabilities and limitations,
Yeah.
to interpret its output, and to work in partnership with these new systems.
And what about patients?
Yeah.
How do we help them understand and adapt to AI's increasing role in their healthcare?
Patient education is crucial.
Yeah.
We need to explain AI's role in healthcare in a way that's clear and concise and reassuring. Patients need to understand how their data is being used, what AI can and cannot do, and how it will impact their care.
So it's about building trust
Yeah.
and transparency.
Exactly. Patients need to feel confident that AI is being used responsibly and ethically to improve their health.
And speaking of responsibility, there are important regulatory hurdles
Yeah.
that need to be addressed as well.
Absolutely.
Right. The video talked about the need for high-quality data.
Yes.
Why is that so important for AI in healthcare?
Well, AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is incomplete or biased or inaccurate, the AI will make mistakes.
Oh, right.
It's like trying to bake a cake with spoiled ingredients.
Right.
No matter how good the recipe is, the result won't be what you expect.
So garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly. We need robust, high-quality data to train these AI algorithms so that they can make accurate diagnoses and predictions and treatment recommendations.
And that data needs to be representative
Yes.
of the diverse population we're trying to serve.
Absolutely. We need to ensure that AI algorithms are trained on data that reflects the full spectrum of human diversity,
Okay.
including different ages, genders, ethnicities, and health conditions.
So it's not just about the quantity of the data,
Right.
but it's also about the quality and the diversity of the data.
Exactly.
Okay.
This will help to ensure that AI is used fairly and equitably for all patients.
That makes a lot of sense. And then there are the data privacy concerns,
Yeah.
which are particularly sensitive in healthcare.
You're right. Healthcare data is incredibly personal and sensitive.
Yeah. And we need to handle it with the utmost care.
Of course.
Strong regulations and robust security measures are crucial for protecting patient privacy.
It's a delicate balance, isn't it?
It is.
We want to use data to improve healthcare,
Right.
but we also need to ensure that individual rights are respected and protected.
Absolutely. We need to find ways to anonymize and de-identify data whenever possible,
Uh-huh.
and to give patients control over how their data is used.
Transparency and control are essential for building trust
Yeah.
in AI-powered healthcare.
I couldn't agree more.
The video also touched on another sensitive topic,
Okay.
the legal and ethical implications of AI making healthcare decisions.
This is an area where we're still figuring things out.
Yeah.
As AI becomes more involved in healthcare, questions about accountability and liability become more complex.
For example, if an AI system misdiagnoses a patient who's responsible,
Right.
the developer of the AI, a hospital.
These are tough questions.
Yeah.
We need clear guidelines and regulations to address these issues.
Right.
And they'll need to evolve as the technology advances.
As with any new technology, we need to consider all aspects of this new technology and find ways to ensure that it's used safely, ethically, and responsibly.
It's about finding the right balance between encouraging innovation and ensuring patient safety.
You put it perfectly, and it's a conversation that needs to involve everyone. Healthcare professionals, patients, policymakers, technology developers, and the general public.
It's a collective responsibility to shape the future of healthcare.
Right.
Ensuring that AI is used ethically and for the benefit of all.
Now let's dive back into some of the specific ways AI is already changing healthcare.
Okay.
Earlier we talked about diagnosis and treatment and drug discovery.
Yeah.
Are there any other areas where AI is making significant strides?
Oh, absolutely. There are many other areas where AI is making a huge impact.
So we've talked about how AI is changing things like, diagnosis and treatment.
But the video also touched on some really futuristic applications, like robotic surgery.
Yeah.
It actually showed the Da Vinci system, which is already being used in hospitals around the world. What are your thoughts on AI-powered robots performing surgeries?
Well, the Da Vinci system is a fantastic example of how AI is already being used to enhance surgical precision.
Yeah.
It's amazing to think that, we're already at a point where robots are assisting surgeons in the operating room.
Yeah, it's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it.
It is.
The video mentioned that AI's role in robotic surgery is constantly evolving.
Yeah.
So what can we expect to see in the future?
Well, we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do in surgery.
Wow.
In the future, we might see robots capable of performing even more complex procedures with even greater autonomy.
Wow.
Imagine a world where surgeries are minimally invasive, incredibly precise, and potentially even performed remotely.
Remote surgery. That sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But the technology is advancing rapidly.
Wow.
It's certainly within the realm of possibility that in the future, a skilled surgeon could perform a life-saving operation on a patient thousands of miles away.
That's incredible. But beyond surgery, are there any other cutting-edge applications of AI in healthcare that you find particularly exciting?
One area that I'm particularly interested in is the development of personalized prosthetic limbs using AI.
Oh, wow.
Imagine a prosthetic arm that can respond to the user's thoughts and movements,
Okay.
providing a level of control and dexterity that was previously unimaginable.
That would be life-changing for people who have lost limbs.
Absolutely.
Yeah. It's amazing to think how AI could restore their independence and mobility.
And there's also tremendous potential for AI to revolutionize mental health care.
Oh, right.
AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants could provide 147 support and guidance to people struggling with mental health issues.
That could be incredibly valuable for people who may not have access to traditional mental health services.
Right.
Or who are hesitant to seek help.
Exactly. These AI systems could offer personalized coping strategies, connect people with mental health professionals, and even detect early warning signs of a crisis.
Wow. It sounds like AI has the potential to address some of the most pressing challenges in healthcare today.
It really does.
But as we've discussed, there are also important considerations that need to be addressed as this technology becomes more prevalent.
You're absolutely right. As exciting as these advancements are, we need to approach them with a balanced perspective.
Right.
We need to ensure that AI is used ethically, responsibly, and equitably to improve health and well-being for all.
It's been a fascinating deep dive into the world of AI in healthcare.
It has.
What are some key takeaways that you would leave our listeners with?
Well, I think the most important takeaway is that AI has the potential to fundamentally change how we approach healthcare.
From diagnosis and treatment to drug discovery and surgery. But it's not a magic bullet.
Right.
We need to work together to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and ethically to benefit all of humanity.
Well said. It's an exciting time to be witnessing this technological revolution in healthcare.
It is.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
My pleasure.
We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking.